Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apologies guys, in the previous video where I demonstrated on how to gain access to computer system using a payload file via Metasploit Framework on a Kali Linux box, had the audio muted due to some issues I experienced post exporting the video from the AZ video recorder, the screen recorder. Hence I had to just put the muted part of the video, and in this video I'm just going to explain how the exact demonstration video went. Okay, and even if you see that muted video, you'll easily understand what I have done through to gain the access to the computer system, and how I ran the payload file on the machine locally, and as well as how the overall procedure went. If you still have doubt, I'm going to explain you in this video. And before I proceed, I just wanted to dictate something here. So the whole purpose of the other video was for you to learn and educate yourself. All right. So you must not use these tools to inflict any loss on others. That's the most important thing. And also the video was to show how modern attackers use payload to get access to your computer system. And also the whole idea was to ensure that you learn to protect yourself from all these dangers, cyber dangers I will call it, and also use your skills to educate others as well, to protect themselves, as well as if you want to pursue yourself into a career where if you want to become a cyber security expert or professional, it's must that you learn all these stuffs to do betterment to your organization that you're working for, and use all these skills that I am teaching you in this video for the benefit of others, as well as for the benefit of yourself, and also for the benefit of the society, an organization that you are going to work for in future. And so with great power comes great responsibility. So that's all guys, let's quickly begin into the actual factuals of the other video that I uploaded some time ago. So guys, firstly what I did was I just used this tool MSF Venom, and this command is -p space the actual payload that is going to help you in extracting a .exe file, and I specified localhost, which is my private IP address, as well as a local port I specified as 4444, and space -f, which means format, and the exe means the exe file that I'm going to use to execute the payload. Okay, and then the right arrow key, and then space payload.exe. I just named it as payload.exe file. Okay, and then after I hit enter, the payload file was created, and as you can see, the payload got stored within the root directory. You can see here payload.exe file. Alright, and then later on what I did was I copied this payload.exe file onto my Windows 7 virtual machine. Alright, okay, over here I copied it on my desktop, and I just executed from here. And later on what I did was I executed this command to make my Kali Linux machine to act as a FTP server. Okay, in the format of a HTTP server. Okay, basically this command executed over here makes my Kali Linux box to act as a FTP server, so that I copy the payload file onto the target machine and run it locally. So the command is python space -m space http.server space, and I specified the port as 9000. Okay, then what I did was I first launched the Metasploit Framework console using this command msf console, and then I typed this command, use space exploit space multi space handler. Okay, sorry, space not /. All right, and after that what I did was, and after that I just executed this command here to set the payload as Windows /metaparator /reverse_tcp, and hit enter. Alright, and this has set me the payload as well as the exploit that I'm going to use. Alright, after which I would type show options. Alright, and here I'm going to specify lhost as my local private IP address. So after which what I did was I just typed set space lhost space my private IP address. Alright, and hit enter. And now again, what I did was I just typed show options to see the modified changes I made using the show options command. So as you can see here, I specified my local host IP address, which is over here, after I entered this command over here. Okay, and that's it. I simply ran the run command and just hit enter, and after which what happened was the result was this one. Right, a session opened for me, and as you can see here, one session that was opened, okay, from my machine, and the target machine is 192.68.0.101. And how did I launch the payload file? I just opened my browser, right, and I just used this URL 192.168.0.7 107:9000. And if you remember, I just showed you on how I made my Kali Linux box to act as a FTP server, right? So same, using that command, I made my Kali Linux box to act as a FTP server, and I'm able to see my Kali Linux directories over here on the browser just now, because I made it to as a HTTP server as well at the same time. And as you can see here, there is a payload file which I just ran locally. Okay, and I just said run, asking it to run, and then I set actions and then just said run anyway. All right, and this enabled me to establish a session, okay, from my Kali Linux box, and that's how I gained the access to my Windows 7 machine. Later on, what I done was I just executed some commands, yeah, like pwd present working directory, that showed that I was inside the desktop directory. Okay, and also what I further did was, I took a screenshot of my Windows 7 desktop machine, okay, and the screenshot got saved to my root directory. Okay, so if you had watched the other video of mine, so last thing that I did was I uploaded a notepad file, okay, that is located within the within my root desktop directory on my Kali Linux box, and that file was named as this one, your hacked.txt. Okay, and then I just uploaded it onto my Windows 7 machine that I just gained access to. Let me quickly show it again to you. So I've just typed this command in front of you now, and I'm just going to hit enter. Alright, it's once again uploaded. Let me quickly go to my Windows 7 machine, and there you go. This is the file that I just copied from my Kali Linux box to my Windows 7 virtual machine. And what happens if I open it? And this is the message. This message is for everyone. Please subscribe my channel, that is Saves Everything YouTube channel, and the link is here given. Alright, given below. And so this is the whole thing that I showed in my previous video. And apart from the muted audio, the presentation, right, the video presentation might have looked good to you. Okay, this one seems a bit shaky because I'm using my hands to record the video as well as demo at the same time. Okay, and and if you found this video helpful, please hit the upvote button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And we'll meet in the next video with more useful content like this related to cybersecurity. And thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.